I'm gonna show you guys very simply how the TFSA works with a great example. This video is gonna show you how contribution room works, what contribution limit is, what's the difference between them, and how the TFSA works. In 2009, the TFSA was created. Initially, the government of Canada provided a limit of $5,500 in 2009. So in 2009, you could contribute $5,500 to your TFSA. And the following year in 2010, the limit was $5,500 again. So when you add those 2 years together, you get $11,000. So between those 2 years, your contribution room in 2011 would have been $11,000. So essentially your contribution room begins to accumulate from when you turn 18 years old. So as you guys can see on the screen right now, you can see this table that shows the contribution limits for each individual years from 2009 to present, which is 2022. Let's use a very, very simple example. We have Kevin. So Kevin, back in 2015, he was 21 years old. That's when he began to contribute to his TFSA. And in 2015, based on this chart you can see here, Kevin had $26,000 available of contribution room. So Kevin turned 18 in 2012. That's how we got to the $26,000. In this scenario, Kevin saved up $10,000 and he buys an S&P 500 index fund. In this case, we will be using the VFV.TO or the Vanguard S&P 500 index fund. In this scenario, he invested into the VFV for the simple reason of long-term growth and diversification. By the way, if you didn't know, the VFV is considered an ETF, it's not a stock. In 2015, the VFV was $46 and Kevin put $10,000 into VFV. So $10,000 divided by $46 comes out to 217 shares. So he bought 217 shares in 2015. He bought this of course, inside his tax-free savings account or TFSA to not pay taxes on his eventual gains. So let's fast forward to 2022. Kevin didn't contribute any more after that. And in 2022, his 217 shares of VFV are now worth $98 per share. So his TFSA account value has grown to a total of $21,266. So he has an unrealized capital gain of $11,284 over the past 7 years. So he doubled his money. So the great news about the TFSA is he can withdraw some or all of this money completely tax-free. Wouldn't you like to be Kevin? So I hope this video taught you a lot about the tax-free savings account in Canada that we have. Not enough people know about it, unfortunately. That's why, BMO's study found that more than 1 in 3 Canadians don't understand the TFSA or understand how it works or what it's for. I hope this video helped explain the difference between contribution room and contribution limit. Just a quick recap, contribution room is what's accumulated over years and the amount of available space you have to contribute at any given time. And contribution limit is your annual limit that the government defines as how much money they're allowing you to contribute for that year in addition. I hope you learned a little bit about contribution limit and contribution room and how that applies into the TFSA. I hope you take advantage of this wealth building tool that every single Canadian over the age of 18 has access to. Unfortunately, they don't teach you this in school, so I hope that this video shed some light on it. And if you found some value, please remember to share this video with anyone else who doesn't know about TFSA. Here's to your success. And remember, wealth is possible. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more videos like that, click right up here. We actually have a full-length podcast if you want to watch that. Click right up here and make sure to subscribe down here so you don't miss any videos. And remember, wealth is possible.